Hey guys, I just wanted to show you the difference between a regular screwdriver and those vessel screwdrivers. So I know it's kind of big right now in the video, but this is a brand new Snap-on number 2 Phillips. Okay, this should totally fit in here, and it should work just great. Let me get that out of my other hand. So I'm just going to move this back and forth just a little bit, and you can see it's got some play. Okay. And that's what would strip that out if this was really tight. And I don't know, I haven't even loosened this up yet, but I just wanted to show this. Now I'll put in my used vessel screwdriver and do the same movement, and you can see it barely moves. This vessel screwdriver is definitely the way to go for getting these out. There's just no doubt, and it's not going to strip out. So if you want to get one of those, again, it's down in the link. The link is down below in the description. It's on my Amazon store page. Just showing you the difference.